guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, I'm excited about today's video because I finally get to show you the beauty room, film room, my little oasis. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed and these videos are of interest to you, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Alright, so my beauty room, I'm so excited to show you guys. You've seen the majority of this room, believe it or not. It is a very small room. It is a spare bedroom. It's smaller than my son's room. It's the smallest room. It's probably an 11 by 12. I mean, it's 11 by 11. It's a really small room. But I was excited to make it my own, and my husband was even more excited for me to get everything out of the master bedroom. So let's jump in and I will show you some video. I might split screen, I might talk, who knows. I think the most important thing in making this a room where I could film is to have enough light. That was the biggest issue because I came from my master bedroom, which the whole back wall, if you will, was windows, to two tiny little windows that are on the corner of the house that gets no sun. So I'll show you a little video here of what it looks like with virtually only the overhead light, and then these ones shut on and off by themselves, so I leave them on and then they'll shut off over time. So that was the biggest thing. So I usually just filmed with a ring light, but I had bought box lights a long time ago and I shoved them in the garage because I didn't need them. Boy, did I need them in here, and they work wonders. They give me enough light. So I have box lights on each side. You sometimes see them through the reflection of the mirror. I think when I'm sitting a certain way, you can see it. And I also needed lights in the back, and I just found a cute little lamp, and then these little lights that I added to a mirror that I've owned for years and years. And eventually I will start to work on my blog. Yeah, and start to try and do outfits of the day for you. Let me go ahead and show you the video, and then after I'll come back and talk with you. All right, guys, welcome to my beauty room, film room. So let me go ahead and just show you around. This is a very small room. It's about a 10 by 11, and but it does have very tall ceilings, which is great. So my husband put that chandelier in for me. Let me turn the light off so you can see. It's so pretty. It's very blingy. And then I painted the walls this very light gray, which I have pretty much through my whole house. And this is the area you see when I film. This is the area behind where you do not see typically. So the most important thing in creating a film room or beauty room is that I have lots of light, because there's only two very small windows. You can see how dark it is over there. So I do have box lights, which are these on each side, and I have a ring light. This vanity is actually a desk, and it's awesome because it's very wide. It's solid wood. If you're looking for a really great desk, this is it. Just have a little plastic mat to try and protect it. I do have everything pretty much organized, believe it or not, even though there's a lot here. I just filmed a video, so I have some things out from that. You can see I have like the current eyeshadow palettes, face palettes that I'm using, my current lipsticks that I'm using or trying out. You can see like I'm trying out the Jeffree Star concealer. There's my new Face Fix, which I love. These are the products that with the most recent video that I had on so that I can remember. And then, you know, just all sorts of organizational things. So I have my foundations and setting sprays. I have my lip liners and eyeliners. This is my favorite mirror. This is the Simple Human mirror. Love that. I have a big mirror behind me. There you go. You're not going to be able to see it because of the ring light. Let me turn that off. So you can see I have a nice big mirror in the back there. And then over here I just have the brushes that I use. Skincare, moisturizers, things of that nature, hair care products that I use, a little fan because it gets hot in here. This tripod I use when I am filming fashion, so you see me over there. And then this is an old desk I had, so I just use it for storage. So you can see I haven't quite organized everything, but I've got a lot of storage units in here, lip products that I use, brushes. This bag is full of things that didn't work for me or I've already used, and I give to my girls. And then on top of the vanity, I just have some pretty flowers and, a little wooden tray. Makeup junkie bags. I'm obsessed with these, and I just got these ones in the mail, and oh my gosh, guys, they are so awesome, especially for travel. Just got this in the mail a couple days ago to put my bracelets, which I love. This wooden shelf unit, oh, I'm obsessed by this. So I have my favorite bags. There's the Kate Spade tote that I've shown, the bee bag from Amazon. Here's another bag from Amazon. This is from Coach, wicker bag from Amazon. Love it. Lots of little flowers, and you guys, I'm sure, recognize these cuffs from Express. I'm obsessed by those. I'm doing a self-tanner video, so that's over there. I just put some sheer white curtains to keep it very light and airy in here. And then I do have a giant full-length mirror that I added lights to. Little wicker basket there. This bearskin rug, obviously faux. So pretty. I love it. And then this is a Chase lounge, so it actually pulls all the way out so that you could have someone sleep in here if you need it. And then I love these pillows. This one says, "You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, irresistible for the rest of your life." And then this one has little white flowers on it. It's just so pretty. And then a heart pillow in the back. The artwork, this is from Iconic. I'm obsessed by these lip paintings. He has several of them, and this canvas is just so totally cool. I love the colors. I like the graffiti of it, and I just think it works in here. Got a little side table from Amazon. I've got an Echo Dot there to, tell me the weather, tell me the time. I play music in the morning, a little light, some flowers. Since it's spring, I've got a couple little bunny rabbits over there. And then if we continue on here, this is a double door to my closet. This is a jewelry armoire I've showed in a video from last year. So you can see here that when you open it up, I have my jewelry in here, with the exceptions. I took all of my bracelets and put them over there because I love that. So I've just got some of my jewelry in here, and it's another mirror, so it adds some more light. And then I will show you my closet, but don't judge me because this is not organized by any means. But I do keep robes in here, getting dressed, bras, and stuff like that. I have my handbags hung up on one side, belts on the other. This is all camis and bandeaus and slips and things of that nature. And then these are the clothes that I'm working on. So for instance, y'all haven't seen this jumpsuit yet. Isn't that gorgeous? Or this black dress yet. It's very cute. So those are some of the things. I have to organize my shoes. I'm not even going to show you down there. And then over here, I have some things hanging. This is a steamer. It's a professional steamer. Love it. But I also use it to hang clothes that I am needing to steam and then show in a video. And that's kind of it. It is a very, and there's the door to going out. It is a very small room, but I think it is cozy and pretty, and it kind of reflects me, and it's my own little space. And I'm happy to just have a little oasis, and my husband's happy that I'm not in, all of this stuff isn't in the master bedroom. So that is it, guys. And I've had this chair a while. I will try and find, everything will be listed. For instance, the vanity, all the organizational things, all of the camera things, the mirror over here. This mirror I've had for a while, but Pier 1 still carries it. The lights, that shelf, the little accessories here and here, those will all be listed. This Chase lounge, the artwork, everything is still available with the exception of this chair, but I found a similar one, I do believe. And pretty much everything on that table. This is available, the steamer's available. So everything will be listed in the description box, guys. But, and then when you go to like Amazon, so a lot of these handbags, I won't list every handbag that you see here, but anything that's from Amazon is on my Amazon page, and that's always listed in my description box. Just, you know, so that you guys can see. And I'll show you one other drawer here that I've organized just to give you an idea of how I organize things. So for instance, this one is backups of products that I love. Like this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. These are hair care products. These are empties. These are products I'm working on. And then, you know, backups like of beauty blenders and sponges and all of that good stuff. So I just have everything, trying to get everything organized. It's just, it takes some time. But this desk is great because it does have drawers. So in here you can see I have more hair care products, and I have some eyeshadow containers that I use. And on this side I have like blushes and you know, setting powders and things of that nature. Those are the magnetic eyelashes that I tried last week, if you haven't seen that video. So this is kind of just my little oasis. So yeah, that's my room, guys. Alright guys, so that is my beauty film room. Again, it's a teeny tiny room and it's packed to the gills with a lot of stuff. When you're filming, you need a lot of equipment. If it's a room like this where it's dark, the lights, you know, it looks so pretty before I put all this lights and cameras in it. It was so pretty, but it's not, it has to be a place where I can film. So I need the equipment and the lights, and it does take up quite a bit of space. And I could have bought those cute little IKEA organizers for my makeup, but I just took, you know, I'm a thrifty girl. We've had this dresser for years, and I was like, well, it's black, it matches the rest, like it matches the desk that I got. And again, this isn't a vanity as a desk, it does have drawers, but it is so awesome because it gives me a lot of width and length, which I need, because it always has a lot of stuff on it. And the dresser works really well. I'm currently only using 3 of the 6 drawers. In fact, I have to clean out the other 3. Little secret there. But you know, yeah, I love it. And you know, I just want to give a big thanks to my husband because one, he helped me get everything in here. He hung the beautiful little chandelier that I found. He let me buy whatever I wanted to put in the room. So just want to thank him so much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.